Welcome to our YouTube video on 5 ways you can sell your art for money online. In today's digital age, artists have more opportunities than ever to showcase and sell their work to a global audience. Whether you're a painter, photographer, or graphic designer, these platforms can help you turn your passion into profit. So let's dive in and explore the top 5 ways you can sell your art online. Number 1. Online marketplaces. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade provide a platform for artists to sell their creations directly to customers. These marketplaces have a large customer base and offer various categories for different types of art. By setting up your own shop and listing your artwork, you can reach a wide audience and potentially make sales. Number 2. Print-on-demand services. If you're a digital artist or create designs that can be printed on various products, print-on-demand services are a great option. Websites like Redbubble, Society6, and Zazzle allow you to upload your artwork, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. This way you can focus on creating while they take care of the logistics. Number 3. Social media platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are not just for sharing photos and connecting with friends. They can also be powerful tools for selling your art. By building a strong online presence, engaging with your audience, and showcasing your work regularly, you can attract potential buyers and direct them to your online store or website. Number 4. Online art galleries. Online art galleries provide a curated platform for artists to showcase and sell their work. Websites like Saatchi Art, Artsy, and Artfinder connect artists with collectors and art enthusiasts from around the world. These platforms often have a rigorous selection process, ensuring that the quality of art remains high. Being featured on such platforms can give your art credibility and exposure to a targeted audience. Number 5. Personal website or online store. Having your own website or online store gives you complete control over your brand and the way you present your art. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace offer easy-to-use website builders that allow you to create a professional-looking online store without any coding knowledge. With your own website, you can showcase your portfolio, sell your art directly, and build a loyal customer base. In conclusion, selling your art online has never been easier. With the right platforms and strategies, you can reach a global audience, connect with potential buyers, and turn your passion into a profitable business. So, start exploring these 5 ways to sell your art online and take your artistic career to new heights.